Hello. Today we're out in the workshop, and what we're going to do is show you how to create a spice grinder. In this particular case, it's made out of two different woods known as a laminate. What I'm going to do, or what I have done, is that this is how it begins. In this particular case, I have a padauk, which is the reddish wood, very from Africa, very hard wood. Also, another hardwood is the white maple, and this is going to make a very nice contrast when we finish this up. So this is what we're going to begin with, and now we're going to go through a little bit of the steps that we take to make this happen. Now what you see is I have mounted the piece, what's known as a piece, on my lathe between the two center points. This right now is quite uneven. And what it has to happen, it has to be rounded with a tool. And my tool of choice is a round nose scraper, which is going to be used to start to make this in a cylinder to make it true. So what I'm going to do now is begin the process to make that happen. What I'm going to do now is get ready to focus the attention on cutting the actual piece. As a safety precaution, always wear eye protection. Sometimes if the dust is heavy, you'll put on a face mask. I'll probably be doing that a little bit later on. But for right now, roughing this out, it's not necessary. I'll be back with you in a little while. Now it's time to get cutting. Alright, now what you see is the wobble. This is what we have to do as our first step to get the piece trued so that we can work on it. I'm now going to start to tick away using the round nose scraper to make that happen. As you go through this process, in the beginning it's very slow, because you only want to remove a minimal amount of excess wood. And as this spins, it works to take away all of the excess to get you down to a shape that you can work with. After a few minutes, you can see how the edges that were pointy are being smoothed, because what we're doing is chipping this away. And now when I go back and turn it on and continue with the process, you're going to see the shavings come off. They're going to be longer, they're going to be smoother. And we are approaching or getting closer to the state of what is known as truing. Take off the face mask so you can hear me a little bit better. We're now going to begin the drilling process to open up the center portion so that we can be able to put the mechanism in to be able to do the spice grinder. So first part was the truing. Now we're getting ready to shift over and start doing a little drilling. In order to have the internal mechanism available for the spice grinder, we have to do a series of drill openings with Forstner bits. Now this is one of the steps turn on the lathe. And now turn this and you can see the shavings that are coming out as we start to penetrate the wood. Nice and easy process as we go in and hollow out the center plate.